Heavy rain battered Liguria, the northwest region of Italy bordering France, causing flooding and mudslides on Monday in several places. The hardest hit city was Savona, on the Ligurian sea coast. But towns in the region's hilly interior also suffered flooding and landslides, as some streams overflowed their banks. A huge landslide caused a road to sink in the Savona hinterland. The railway line between Savona and Turin is also closed. In the Liguria region, it is experiencing widespread and persistent rains that are causing numerous damage. Several streets are flooded, volunteers and firefighters are already in action, and even in the city the situation is worsening. The port city of Genoa, Liguria's most populous area, shut schools for the day and ordered the closure of parks and cemeteries. More downpours were forecast for later on Monday, and a red alert was in effect until dawn Tuesday.